Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Vscode and pointing it at the folder where you want the site. Once you have a folder open, create a new file and save it as Index.html right away so Vscode recognizes HTML syntax. This choice determines how the editor highlights and helps you. Make sure to pick the correct folder in the Explorer pane. That keeps your workspace organized. Once saved, you already have the file backbone to edit live preview and serve locally. You now add the HTML skeleton using Emmet. Type an exclamation mark and press Tab to expand the HTML5 boilerplate quickly. Fill in the title, confirm meta charset equals UTF-8, and the responsive viewport meta so pages render properly on phones. Next, add a visible body element, an H1 for your page title and a paragraph for content. Once done, save changes and use the status bar language indicator to ensure the file is HTML. If it is not, set it manually to get correct formatting and autocomplete. You finish by previewing the file, install and run live server, or right-click and open Index.html in a browser to see the page rendered. Make edits in Vscode, save, and the preview updates. If something looks wrong, open the DevTools console to spot missing files or syntax errors and fix paths or tags accordingly. One key troubleshooting tip: if the page won't load, confirm the file is named Index.html exactly, and that your server or file path points to the folder containing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.